Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a motovlog, which has not happened in a while. I'm on a Honda Shadow Spirit, as if that matters. It has been a while, so yes, dude. It's a little chilly outside. It's a little chilly, alright? Bear with me. I didn't wear a windbreaker because I didn't think I needed it. Alright, so this thing is fun. This thing is so comfortable, alright? Every sport bike rider is going to say that when they get on a cruiser. I don't care. This thing is comfortable AF. I had a buddy reach out to me and like, you could still take corners in these things. Like, you're gonna scrape if you go too far, but it's not that bad. Anyways, I had a buddy reach out to me and he was like, yo, we have these two Shadows that have been sitting for a long time, and we want you to fix them up for us. And when I mean long time, I'm pretty sure like it's been a few years at least, and they didn't store the bikes properly. And when I mean properly, like the carburetors have been sitting without any love or attention. And if you know anything about carburetors, if they sit for a long period of time, they just get all gunked up. And that's exactly what happened. I keep wanting to put my feet directly underneath me or behind me, but they're more forward. You're sitting in a lounge chair on a motorcycle. Like, it's so awesome. And there's power. So basically, that's awesome. It's 60 miles an hour, just cruising. This thing hasn't been ridden in years. There's like 400 layers of dust on this thing, and I'm just gonna take it out for a ride. So I pulled the carburetor off, bought a rebuild kit, or they sent me a rebuild kit. I rebuilt it, put it all back together, put some fresh fuel in there with some fuel stabilizer for ethanol stabilizer, and it's quiet, which is new to me, but it feels good. So I'm gonna run this thing low on gas because I want any of the leftover fuel at the bottom of the tank, I want it gone. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm really enjoying riding this thing. But I really enjoy it. I mean, golly, man, it's just so comfortable. It's a joy to ride, really. Like, when you look at these, you're a sport bike rider, and I am diehard like sport bike. I'm actually gonna turn around because I don't want to go this way. I just got caught up in the moment. All right, we'll turn around here. I mean, the carb seems to be doing really good. The more I drive it, the better it seems to get. I'll give you a little outward view real quick while we're sitting here. It's 2,500 miles, bought in 2007. These tires haven't seen the road in a while. I trailered it to my house. It's very dusty, but it runs really good. The nice thing is, when I was repairing it, is it did only have 2,500 miles, so it didn't look bad. It honestly looked brand new. There's a little spot with a little bit of twisties. I had somebody warn me. They were like, you will drag the bottom of this thing if you lean too hard. So, got that going for us. This thing is awesome. There's a little wind chill. Definitely a little wind chill. Ah, my feet. I mean, it's no slouch either, but it's a 750. V-twin. Had dual carbs. It's not bad. You would think in the seated position that you would have less control, and I honestly feel like I have less control, but that's because I'm used to having control when my feet are literally here. But if I did that, my knees would be up on the tank like this, and that wouldn't work. But like, just having your feet out like this, it's just like, woo! Just, you know what? They keep their, you know what, nice and cool during the summertime, don't they? Oh, Lord. I actually don't remember how much fuel is in this tank. And is there a fuel gauge? Or is it my eyeballs? I think it's just my eyeballs. It really likes to sing up high. But when I get on the throttle, it's smooth. So it's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, one of the biggest problems was this thing. One, it had a dead battery, which I charged it up and it was kind of fine. They had it on a trickle charger basically the whole time, so I'm not saying that battery's great, but it's not bad either. Right there's a little bit of hesitation. I think I'm running out of fuel, actually, shockingly enough. Might need to flip a Yui here. I'm gonna go put some fuel in this thing because I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure this thing's running out of gas. Let's put it in reserve. And limp it back. That would be not good. Oh, there we go. It's definitely running out of gas. Because it just, the RPMs are... There we go. Let's get back to the gas station back here. Got the ethanol stabilizer in there. Full tank of premium Techron, Chevron with Techron gas. Premium. Yes, sir. All right. And away we go. I'm wondering if the shocks just have been sitting. And, oh, that guy had like an old GTO in the garage. It's like not as, I would say it's stiffer than I thought it would be. And, I rode a Harley a long time ago. I'm not completely unfamiliar, but I also haven't put miles and miles on a cruiser. And I kind of wish I did. I have nothing bad to say about this except more power, baby. I can't steal that line. Nothing bad to say except I wish this thing had more power. Like it was an 1100 cc and you could just kick that rear end out. And I'm sure I could, but I don't know enough about this bike. And technically this is not my bike. It's just a borrowed bike. I think I wanted to turn down that road. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I was trying to stick to the back roads and off the main roads because I'm also probably not registered. This bike probably had got an expired tag by like 10 years. So Yeah, you hit the throttle even in... Yeah, dude, this thing is solid. Really enjoying this. May not give it back. May just keep it. It needs a wash. I'm gonna polish this thing up and wash it one of these days, and I'm supposed to return it back to them and then pick up the other Honda Shadow and do the same thing. And I can't wait to see their faces when it's all polished up. It's running good. Yes, sir. It's a little underwhelming to hit full throttle. I will say that. A little underwhelming. But what do you expect? You're supposed to cruise. You're supposed to take your significant other, throw them on the back, go for a cruise in the mountains, look at the views, enjoy the ride. This is what cruisers are all about. Enjoying the ride, because this is really what it's all about. When you get on a motorcycle and you hit the open road, when I hadn't, just for a few months, and then just getting back on this bike and the feeling, this right here, I mean, you can't beat it, dude. You 100% cannot beat this. And it's relaxing. It's therapeutic. What else do I need to say? You know, you ride. You ride, you get it. Oh, yes. Yes, dude. I think this is going to conclude it. I'm going to go ride and without filming for a minute and just enjoy the ride for a little bit. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. For the people that have been waiting on motorcycle videos on my channel, the next Honda Shadow that I get is going to be the one where I probably do more of a video. I didn't film the build. I'm not going to say build process. I didn't film the repair process for this just because it was so slow and so spread out. Like, it's been a couple months and this thing has just been sitting in the garage, so it's hard for me to, you know, just film and have them like spread out by months, you know, for the people that are here for the motorcycle content. Channel has been doing great this year. 2020 has been a fantastic year for my channel. The best year ever. I've been doing YouTube 2 years consistently now, and I've really enjoyed it. I've really I'm not monetized, I don't have ads, I'm not getting money, and I've still very much enjoyed putting out content for people, and the feedback from a lot of my videos has been great. So I think I'm just going to keep trucking along. Very thankful for the people that have subscribed. And yes, sir. I'll put some links for some videos that you can watch somewhere in this area. And y'all are awesome. Thank you. And I'll see you in the next video. Ratchet Davo is out.